Hello everybody, it's Harry Boxer, a technical trader. It's Thursday, October 9th, and this is the chart of the day. But before we go any further, I'd like to just say that what we're witnessing in the markets are of historical proportions, and perhaps culminating in what I believe in the next 24 to 48 hours could be a very important, if not extreme long-term low. But we'll see. I mean, right now we are probably due for at very least a very strong snapback rally, and what that leads to eventually will depend on external influences, of course. But as you can see in front of you, the VXN index today reached as high as this is the VXN, yeah. The Nasdaq index reached as high as 69.66 at the close, but 70.44 was the high today. Those are levels that we haven't seen in many years. The New York Stock Exchange Index, the VIX, which is right here, closed at 63.92, as high as 64.92 at the high. That's an all-time record. And as you could see, just 5 weeks ago, I was trading around the 18-19 range. So, and not necessarily was it a big spike up today, but it did reach a level that's unprecedented. Going back here on this chart, you'll see that also reached the top of the 3-year channel here, which has led to a sharp pullback in the VIX over the last 2-3 years, and perhaps you may see that here, which will coincide with the market rally. Just to throw in, the McClellan oscillator today closed at minus 421. That's the most oversold reading ever. I've seen a couple of readings in the 300s and one at 394, but 421 is just outstanding and astonishing, to be honest. So I'm looking for stocks that we follow to have very strong snapback rallies starting anywhere between tomorrow morning and although because it's Friday, it may spill over into Monday, Tuesday before we actually see that low. But get yourselves ready for that, because I think you want to put some money to work here. There'll be some excellent short to intermediate term trades, in my opinion, and that's what we'll be looking for over the next couple of days. So keep your eye on the VIX, VXN, and the McClellan oscillator, as well as several of the other indicators. But keep listening to my trading diary for clues as to big negative tick numbers and sharp reversals that may be the beginning of an important move.